Okay, are you slicing the golf ball? Do you want to fix that? We're going to get to it right now. Let's go. Okay, so I'm here at Precision Golf Centers. Link is below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that. I do a lot of golf tip and drill videos. Hit the bell notification also so you don't miss anything. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you a drill that's gonna fix your slice. So first off, I'm gonna hit some shots, just my regular swing, and then I'm gonna show you with this drill how to change that so you don't slice the ball anymore, okay? It's gonna help you out. Let's do it. All right, so I'm just gonna hit some of my normal shots, which it's a normal little fade is what I like to play, a little baby fade. So we'll see what we got. Okay, so most of those are going to the right. So we're gonna do this little drill that's gonna help create a nice little baby draw. So just get your towel, just roll it up. We're just gonna put it down on the ground. It's gonna help us it's gonna give us a visual takeaway. That would be straight. We wanna draw, so we're gonna take it back. Everything else is the same. We're just gonna work on our takeaway. That's an exaggerated club path motion we're looking for. And it's gonna give us a little draw. Most of the time when you're slicing the ball, you're picking the club up and you're taking it way too far outside. So we want to keep it lower and get it going more inside here so you come back inside, okay? And you're just going to try to match that shaft up with the towel. So that shaft is coming in like this, okay? You're trying to match the shaft with the towel. Right in here. So for me, the towel is bringing me, for me personally, it's bringing me too far inside because I don't normally have that slice issue. So that would be way too much for me, but for you, that might be the right amount. So you gotta keep moving the towel around until you find your sweet spot, okay? So that's just slightly inside. Right there, that's a good one for me. This is my sweet spot where the towel is just slightly to the inside. So that's a 14-yard draw. Now, let's say I don't want a 14-yard draw. Let's say I want less. What I'll do is I'll move the towel more towards a fade. So if you're hooking it too much, just do the opposite with the towel like this. Don't go changing your setup too much. We're just working on that first piece of that takeaway. So now I'm going out here. So that was much straighter for me. And that one had a little fade on it, right? So it's just about finding what's right for you, the sweet spot for your swing. Maybe you need to feel like you're bringing it way inside. Maybe you need to feel like you need to come way outside. Either way, we're gonna fix that slice because most of the time when you're slicing, you're bringing it way outside and up, and you need to keep it down and in. And just putting your towel down gives you a little visual aid. Even that alignment stick, I find it's too small. We need a thicker piece of something. You have a towel in your bag, throw it on the ground, throw it right there. And here's what's awesome. If you come to Precision Golf Centers in Torrance, let them know you saw my video, your first hour is free. So you can get all your stuff, knock it out in an hour, it's free, walk out the door. Well, check out what they have. They have a lot of cool stuff here. Check them out, links are below, all right? Hope you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Love you guys, we'll see you next time.